In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide WhatsApp messengers. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So, let's get started. And first off, open up WhatsApp app. And let's say I would like to hide all the messages of that particular conversation. We need to open up that conversation. And then if you would like to hide it, we need to tap right here at a phone number or add contact name. And then just scroll down until you find the chat lock. Then tap on it, and now it says that chat lock option allows us to keep this chat unlocked and hidden for edit privacy. Lock chats will be kept separate from other chats. To activate this option, stop at that toggle. It will ask you to use your Face ID. And then if we go back to our chats list, we can find out that there is no longer that conversation showing here. That's because it has been moved to a locked chat. If we get into it, it will ask us to use our Face ID in that way. And as you can see, this conversation is now located right here. We can tap on it, and we can now start messaging. That's how you can easily hide any WhatsApp messages and conversations.